Good morning, class. Today we're going to start with the tenses. Our first tense will be the simple past tense. So let's start the lesson and you don't know, maybe you will add information to your tense. What is the past tense? Past tense is a verb from which is marked by time. So it has a time or it tells you a time. The past tense is used for action in a time which has happened or already happened. In order to explain and understand the past tense, it's useful to imagine time. So we will imagine what happened through time. The simple past tense is used when you tell a story, when telling a story, or when you speak about a past event. How verbs change. Different verbs change in different ways to make the past tense. The most common way is by ending with ed, and that's what we call regular verbs. So most of the verbs end with ed, and it's so common. Okay, let's see the sentences and how we change verbs. John kills Harry. I colored the verb with blue and it's in the present tense. When I change it to the past, it becomes John killed Harry. Also, I colored the verb with the blue and added ed with green. Let's see another example. They walk to work becomes they walked to work. It's the same. I colored the verb with blue, and when I changed the verb to the past tense, I added ed in green color. So these are regular verbs. We just add ed. The other kind, many other verbs are irregular. This means that there is no pattern and no easy way to know how the verb changes. Some of the most common irregular verbs are, I'm going to give you just 2 examples, guys, but there is lots of them. Let's see. I am happy. So my verb is am and it's colored in blue. Becomes I was happy. So the am is totally changed in the past tense. She writes a letter becomes she wrote a letter. If you notice, guys, here the verb didn't totally change. It just a few letters of them, but in the am, it's all of it changed. All the letters changed. So be careful with that. You should memorize them. Of course, I'm going to give you a small hint in the sentence to know that the sentence is in the past tense. We call them keywords. Yesterday, last week, last month, last year, etc. Ago, when I say 2 days ago, 2 weeks ago, the word ago tells you it's a past tense. Once upon a time, we use it a lot in stories. One day, then, in 1980s or 1985, you can change it the year as you want. In olden days, ancient times, or early days. In childhood, boyhood days, etc. Today morning. Of course, we're not gonna learn without practicing, so let's move to the practice. The first sentence, I space, my verb is see. a starfish yesterday. So my keyword here is yesterday. So the sentence or the verb is supposed to be in the past tense. Any answers? Bravo, guys. I saw a starfish yesterday. So see changed to saw. Is it regular or irregular verb? Excellent. It's irregular verb. The second sentence. I space, my verb is swim, in the sea 2 days ago. So my keyword here is ago. So the verb supposed to be in which tense? Exactly, the past tense. So any answer? Bravo, guys. I swam in the sea 2 days ago. Excellent. Okay, is it regular or irregular? Excellent, irregular. Next sentence. She space visit her family last week. So my keyword here is last week. Excellent. It has to be in the past tense. Any answer? Excellent. She visited her family last week. Bravo, guys. You're amazing. So the verb is irregular or regular verb? Excellent. It's regular because we added ed. Bravo, guys. So guys, see you next time. Remember, stay home, stay safe, and good luck in your exams.